Spectrum increasingly favors self-installation for modems and routers, offering convenience and reduced costs. This tutorial guides you through the process. First, unbox your kit. It includes the modem router, coaxial cable, power adapter, and Ethernet cables. Connect the modem to a cable wall outlet using the coaxial cable and plug in the power supply. Wait for the modem to boot up, indicated by solid lights. Next, activate the modem using the Spectrum app, available on iOS and Android, or website, spectrum.net/activate. Scan the QR code on the modem or enter its serial number to link it to your account. This automated process has reduced setup times to under 15 minutes. Finally, customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password via the app or the modem's web interface, usually 192.168.1.1. After activation, verify your internet connection by running a speed test. If you encounter issues, check for loose cables or signal interference. Spectrum's app offers video tutorials and live chat support. For advanced setups, Spectrum offers all-in-one modem router combos with Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 compatibility, like the Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 6E router, Rack2 V1K, or Eero Pro 7. These support features like parental controls, guest networks, and mesh Wi-Fi extensions. Look for trends such as AI-driven troubleshooting chatbots, which diagnose issues in real time during setup. Enable WPA3 encryption to enhance cybersecurity and protect against IoT vulnerabilities. As broadband providers move toward fully automated setups, Spectrum's self-install option offers a user-friendly way to access high-speed internet.